welcome to Evelyn and Ethan Vlog! Hope you all enjoyed our video on skeletal system. Let's explore few other systems in our body. Number 1.
Muscular system.
Muscles in our body form the muscular system. It works with the skeletal system to help us move. Do you know there are 600 muscles in our body?
Oh my god.
Can you guess which is the strongest muscle?
Heart.
Yes, heart. Few muscles in our face are not attached to the bone. Ethan, give me an example. Yes, eyelashes. Ethan, what are you eating?
Fat.
Friends, it's good time to explore digestive system. When we eat something, our teeth grind it into a mushy pulp. This is our digestive system. Our tongue sends it down through the food pipe. When it enters our stomach, the digestive juices break it into small pieces. The undigested part of the food move to the large intestine and release from the body through the anus. It's craft time! Yay! In today's craft, we are going to show you how our muscles help us to move. For our craft, we need a craft paper, sketch pen, scissors, thread, straws and double-sided tape. Draw our hand in the craft paper. Now our hand is ready. Then cut it out. How many joints are there in your finger?
2.
Right.
Like it.
Mark it like this. Paste the double side tape here.
Yeah.
3 small pieces here and big pieces here. Cut the straws into small pieces. Attach the straws like this. Take the thread and put it into the straws. Tie it here. The straws are the bones. The thread is the muscle. Pull the thread slowly. See how the finger moves? Let's do it for all the fingers. Our craft is ready.
Bye bye.
See you at the next video.